What's up, guys? I'll pretty much giving you guys this vlog as realist as it can be. Saw a video a while ago where a man is pretty much a police officer eating a food with his friends around a table, and he must say, boy, the food where he eat, the food that he's eating it from his hometown, right? And well, he doesn't know that the food that he's eating from his hometown is his mother cooking. So while him eat the food, you can see the tears in his eyes and stuff like that, cause him start think about his mother, and him say how long him not see her, within a year. And my mother come round the corner and hug him, touch him, and realize and run to her. Guys, that just remind me of Mommy Sinus, you know. And this is where the vlog starts. What's up, guys? The boy Sinus, give me the bill and like, comment and subscribe. Guys, I made the transition from where I was in Kingston down here in Montego Bay since Mom passed, and one of the greatest difficulties for me is just missing Mom. You know, I miss Mom, guys. I was giving you guys as is, you know. If you guys don't know, buy the new dance studio down here, and I love that, you know, and my mom is a part of that because I love to dance, and my mother love when I dance, doing different roles and stuff like that, you know. I'm very happy I'm able to do this. I haven't been able to do this in a little bit because work kind of busy. Working 6 days a week, it's rough, you know. It's hard. This year has been one of the toughest years for me. Not only just losing my mom, I lost a total of 8 family members this year. From both sides, from my father's side and my mother's side, 8. You know, and I still have to stay strong. You know, coming down here in a total different place, trying to settle in that on its own has its challenges too. It ain't easy because where I'm at in Kingston, things are more accessible like that, and you know. But down where I'm at right now in Moby, different, you know. Don't get me wrong, it's nice, you know. I enjoying it, but I miss home, and I miss my mother mostly too. You know, I hear the rooster and nature in the background, so showing around, man. You know, adjusting to the new job, and so that's the reason why you guys haven't got. You guys get streams, but not official streams, because most of my equipments and stuff are still in Kingston, and the internet here sucks. You know, I'm not even using an Ethernet cable. It's Wi-Fi. I don't even have my PS5. I leave the TV and stuff like that because it's a ride we get down there, and everything couldn't hold another car. Look, I'm telling you, man, that's what's happening Shout outs to the gang, shout outs to Godman, shout outs to Adachi, shout outs to Snake and everybody part of the community that's really helped keeping the fire burning. Today's what, Thursday? I think today's Thursday. Yeah, try to keep the fire burning, man. We'll not give up. Still I got post videos. I'm just trying to find the balance of everything, and to all my entertainment people them I know. Yo, COVID mash up my thing, brother. COVID is the main reason why you guys not getting no niceness like when you used to get. But me gotta figure something else. We need to figure out something else so we can get the channel booming again and get it up and running the real way. You know. But that being said, shout outs to Mr. Williams. Yeah man, my brother. You know, see you gone on the work there. You know. Just no man, as I say, bro. Just no man. It's rough. Without mom. It's rough. I did down here, man. I have no family like that. I know just a handful of friends I have down here. It ain't easy. But I not give up, but ever since mom died, I find myself just pressing through, and I don't know what happened now, but maybe it started hit me more. I just start find myself crying more and more. You know? I don't want to give up on the dream, guys. Don't want to give up on sinus gaming and stuff like that. And I will not. You know, I just need to schedule my thing and just see if I can come up with ideas and little things like that, you know. And do my thing. But I want everybody to know that I love you very much, you know. Appreciate, you know. There's a lot of changes this year, especially this month. It's a lot of changes. Family members, I've lost friends too. One of my good friend that died too. Me and her usually sing on the choir. Yes, I used to sing on the choir. She lost her life recently too. I think, yeah. She was younger than me, boy. I've lost good friends too. But, over misunderstanding and arguments and cut off, and yeah, that's sad, to be honest, right there. You know, eye opener. I've really seen where I've seen and experienced when you're down, who is really for you and who really have your back. You know, so that in itself shows a lot. That shows a lot. You know, but whether they are for holding it too long, but I just want to know something there. Let's go on journey with your boy. Figure something out. I'm not gonna stop vlog. And let's do it. I really want to get Sinus Gaming back up. I want to pay for my PS Plus and get it back up. I just need to go back in Kingston now, which is a whole different new thing. Just make it work, you know. But yeah, love you guys, and let's go on journey, dear boy. And stay tuned, alright? Yeah man, thanks for listening. And remember that nothing can stop us. Cause God will rock. Whoop. Releasing